Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Santa's Workshop. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some car shuffling. My little Honda has been broke down for quite some time, and that's my parts getter, that's my all-around bad weather car, all-wheel drive. And I've missed that little thing because it gets 27 miles to the gallon compared to the 16 the pickup I'm driving gets. So it is time to get the computer pulled out of that. From the diagnostic that I have done, the computer is not talking to the alternator. And that alternator in that is a dual voltage, which means at idle it charges at one rate, while going down the road it charges at another. I wish, like everything, I could rewire it to where it worked just like a one-wire GM alternator, but apparently that's not the case. So I've got to get a new ECM for it. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the ECM and show you how I do that. But first I've got to get it in an area where I can park it and get the battery charged up. But since the battery is dead, it gives me the perfect chance to try out a new product. This is from YESPER. It's the model X1. Now this will not jump the big 8.0 diesels, but it will jump an 8.0 gas engine, and it'll jump up to a 6.0 diesel, which means it'll still jump mine. But I want you to see this thing. You want to talk about compact. I have never seen a jump box that would start a diesel that is this big. I mean, look at this thing. 2,000 amp, 150 PSI compressor. That is impressive. So, in this video, I'm going to use this to get my little Honda started. And then once we get it parked to where we want it, we're just going to check the air pressure in it and air up the tires if it needs it, because it has been parked well over a year now. So let's go jump start this thing. I'll show you how to use this, and then we'll get to pulling an ECM. All right, get this up here where you can see it, and I'll show you the accessories it comes with. Air mattress inflator, looks like a little adapter right there. You got your sports ball inflator. You got your jumper cables, charging cable, and of course your compressor cable. Oh, I like the big thumb grip there to turn that in with. But I wanted to show you the accessories that come with it, and we'll get out there and we'll get jump starting. Okay, before we get out there, I just want to show you this. The LEDs flicker in the camera, but right here, it's 2.5 bar, 32. 32 is what I got it set to. It shows bicycle, that's not what I want. 2.5 bar. 32 PSI. But right here is your flashlight. Most of these you have to really hunt for that flashlight. You got your warning mode, SOS, then just your regular flashlight. And of course you got, let's see here, here's your charging input. And you have a USB to charge your phones and stuff off of. But, I mean, look at that compared to my hand. That is small. Let's get out there and jump start something. All right. As you can tell by the spider webs and the grass, my poor little Honda's been sitting here a while. We do have a couple of cats out here that keep the mice away. You can tell by the intake. They've been up in there doing their job. All right, I want to get you set up here. And to show you that this thing is dead, I'll try to crank it, which I don't even think it will make a sound. Yeah, that battery is plumb dead. I hope I haven't ruined it. All right, let's plug this thing in. Plug in is right here on the side. Plugs in only one way. There we go. I have to move you here. All right. Let's see if it'll do anything. No. Here we go. Boost. Got a button on top right there that we got to push. And it is now ready. We got the ding ding. Fires right up. Little Honda's got 250,000 miles on it. It still purrs like a kitten. And as you can tell, it's been sitting a little while. Well, I got it in this new area over here where I have access to the shop door. And it got it here just perfect. So what I want to do is we're going to get to pulling the ECM. Once I get it out, show you how this thing airs up tires. All right, last thing we're going to do here is we're going to air up a tire with this here YESPER. And I'll show you how easy it is. First thing you want to do, screw your hose into your box. We are all the way around here, so I will get down here. Take your cap off, flip that up, slide it on until it starts hissing, clamp it down. We're at 0.9 pounds. Let's see where we're set at. Okay, we are on bar. Let's see. We're at 44 psi. I run these at 32. And away we go. And there we go. Accidentally bumped it down to 31, that's why it stopped there, but and there we have it. The YESPER 2000 amp, 150 psi, X1 jump starter, air compressor, work light, plus you can charge your phone off of it. Pretty nifty little deal. Small, compact. This is what you would want to have in your passenger car when you're going on trips, things like that. Real good for a backup. YESPER, thank you for sending this to me. Hope you enjoyed the video, but I want to tell you, getting this little booger out of that Honda was something else. I'm glad I had the light on this thing to help me out along the way. But YESPER, thank you. The link will be in the description below. Please, great Christmas gift for anybody who's in the car lot. Even if you're not, come out, you've got a flat tire, plug that thing up. 5 to 10 minutes later, it's aired up. Get you to a tire shop. Battery's dead. Jump start it. Be great to have in the winter. YESPER XP1. Y'all guys check it out. Thank you a lot. We'll see you next time on Santa's Workshop.